On October 19, 2017, a mysterious object passed through our solar system at incredible speed named Oumuamua. It is the first interstellar object we have ever detected, but by the time we realized it was actually in our neighborhood, it was already heading out of the solar system at an incredible speed of 87 km per second. With limited data, we are not actually sure what it is or where it came from. An event so strange, so mysterious that some scientists have turned to the explanation of alien technology as the only mean to explain it. What it is, where did it come from, and most importantly, can we solve the mystery of this strange object? In 2017, an object unlike anything seen before flew through our solar system. It was first observed on October 19, 2017 by the Pan-STARRS-1 telescope in Hawaii. When it was first discovered, it was originally thought to be a comet and was given the classification C2017UI. But after further research, it was reclassified as asteroid A2017UI, where no coma could be seen. And finally, scientists realized that it was following a hyperbolic trajectory and confirmed that it came from outside the solar system. And hence, scientists created a new category for these type of objects and gave it the official name 1I 2017 UI, where 1I stands for the first interstellar object discovered. But the name Oumuamua was given by the astronomer in Hawaii after its discovery, which means a messenger from afar arriving first. While scientists were doing research on it, they found something strange. Its unusual elongated shape, which was expected to be between 100 meter to 1000 meter long, perhaps cigar-shaped or flat dish-like. It is believed to have this shape because its brightness kept flickering during its 7-hour rotation period. This is because we received more light from its reflection when it appeared longer from our perspective and less light when it appeared shorter. Scientists measure this fluctuation using a photometric curve. Although these elements were quite fascinating, the thing that really set Oumuamua apart from other objects was its motion. Oumuamua passed its closest point to the Sun on the 9th of September 2017 at an astonishing speed of 87 km per second. But when it moved away from the Sun, its speed did not decrease as we usually expect. Instead, scientists noticed an extra acceleration that was working against the force of the Sun's gravity, and later concluded that its motion could not be explained by the Sun's gravity alone. There must be some other force acting on it. Until now, Oumuamua was not doing what physics said it should do. In the next few months, scientists saw a deviation of Oumuamua from its path. In physics, objects only accelerate when they are pushed. So, they began to try to explain what was pushing Oumuamua and why it was showing an unusual behavior. To solve this mystery, scientists began proposing hypotheses, and one of the most controversial was given by Nabeel. He said that this might be alien technology. To give you a bit context, Nabeel is a well-known astrophysicist, and he was the chair of the astronomy department at Harvard for 9 years. In this situation, Nabeel's claim that Oumuamua was artificial alien technology was quite shocking. At the end of 2018, Nabeel published a paper with one of his students titled "Could Solar Radiation Pressure Explain Oumuamua's Peculiar Acceleration?" His idea points toward a spacecraft technology known as the solar cell. So basically, light is made of tiny particles called photons. Even though photons have no mass, they still carry a small amount of energy and momentum. When sunlight hits a solar cell, the photons bounces off its surface. While doing this, they transfer a tiny push to the cell. This push is extremely small, but in space, there is no air or friction to stop it. So the cell keeps moving and slowly gains speed over time. Although it attracted a lot of attention, but this idea is not widely accepted in the scientific community. Over the last few years, scientists have tried to explain this through natural causes. In March 2023, Jennifer Bergner and Daryl Seligman published a paper in which they pointed toward the comet hypothesis. According to them, Oumuamua is a water-rich comet that was exposed to cosmic rays for a long time. These cosmic rays used to split a particle of water. When H2O breaks, hydrogen gas is formed, which was trapped inside the Oumuamua. And when it passes near the sun, the hydrogen gas is released. Because of this hydrogen, it gets an extra push. But what about the coma? Hydrogen is small, and because of that, our telescope were not able to detect it. Until now, the hydrogen outgassing theory is considered the most believable explanation among scientists. And now, Oumuamua is 7.9 billion kilometers away from Earth, and it is currently traveling out of the solar system toward the constellation Pegasus. Although its mystery is not solved yet, it indicates that this universe is far more mysterious than our imagination.